Welcome to our 2025 comparison of two top project management platforms, Monday.com and AHA. In this quick walkthrough, we'll look at their strengths, pricing, real-world use cases, and what users are saying so you can decide which one fits your team best. Effective project management is more important than ever. Whether you're tracking tasks or managing strategic goals, having the right tool in place can transform how your team works. Let's take a closer look at how Monday.com and AHA stack up. Monday.com is all about ease of use. It features a user-friendly interface, customizable workflows, and built-in collaboration tools. Teams of all sizes can set up projects, assign tasks, and communicate in one clean visual workspace. AHA takes a more strategic approach. It's built for planning and prioritizing, perfect for product teams. You'll find a clean interface, robust road mapping tools, and seamless integrations with platforms like GitHub and Slack. Here's how they compare head-to-head. Monday.com focuses on visual workflows, flexible setups, and team collaboration. AHA leans towards strategic roadmaps, detailed planning, and prioritization. Both offer solid integration options, but each plays to different strengths. When it comes to cost, Monday.com averages around $39 per user per month. AHA's pricing is typically higher and targeted more toward enterprise users. Despite the difference, both platforms maintain high satisfaction scores, showing that value isn't just about price. Let's break it down. Monday.com is clean, flexible, and offers multiple pricing tiers. Its intuitive design makes it great for quick onboarding. However, some advanced users may find limitations in areas like reporting and automation. AHA stands out for its strong road mapping and planning tools. You can customize workflows for detailed product management, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. New users may need more time to get fully up to speed. Monday.com works well across industries, from marketing teams managing campaigns, to developers running agile sprints, to sales tracking pipelines. Its flexibility makes it a good fit for cross-functional collaboration. AHA is tailored for product and strategy teams. It helps define vision, prioritize features, and align teams around a single roadmap. It's particularly effective for managing feature development across multiple stakeholders. Integration is a strength for both. Monday.com connects easily with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, and more. AHA also offers strong integrations, especially with developer tools like GitHub and project management ecosystems. Both platforms offer reliable support. Monday.com is known for 24/7 availability and fast response times. AHA support is responsive and helpful, though some users mention slower replies during peak hours. Users consistently praise Monday.com for its ease of use and clean interface. One recurring request is for more powerful customization options, especially for more complex projects. AHA users highlight its deep feature set and roadmap tools. It earns high marks for strategic planning, though some report delays in customer support during high-demand times. So, which one's right for you? If you're after flexibility, visual workflows, and ease of use, go with Monday.com. If your team needs high-level planning and strategic road mapping, AHA is likely the better fit. It really comes down to your team's size, structure, and how you manage work. With over 300,000 active users and a 90% satisfaction rate, both platforms have earned their place in the market. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all tool. The best software is the one that aligns with your team's goals.